Dito kayo mag-chat.
Difficult to store and share effectively, but converting them into PDF files through scanning is simple and convenient. Download PDF GearScan from Google Play or the App Store. Just search for PDF GearScan. This free app lets you scan documents into high-quality PDF files with ease, manual and auto-detect modes. PDF GearScan supports scanning multiple pages without any limitations. Tap here to start editing your scan pages. You can choose a filter to enhance the current page, or apply the same filter to all pages at once. All filters in PDF GearScan are completely free to use. You can also replace, add, or crop pages as needed. For example, you can crop the page to remove unwanted areas like your finger. Here's the option to rotate the current page. Each tap rotates the page 90 clockwise. You can also remove a page by selecting this option. After finishing the edit, hit Done to save your scanned PDF. Then choose More to share or export your PDF file. For example, you can choose to open the PDF with PDF Gear. This way, you can edit it directly using PDF Gear. And that's how you scan documents into PDF format. PDF GearScan offers many powerful features as a scanner app.
Hi Ma'am Shi, so ayan, how to convert PDF. So ayan, mag-install lang po kayo ng app scanner. So pagka-install nyo, click nyo yung camera tapos plus. Tapos, kunyari ayan yung birth certificate ni baby. I-click nyo lang yung button na yan na below. Tapos,